Film started.
I will wait till Bee's drawn her sword.
Mummy, move across that way.
Ah!
Ah!
Oh!
Drop your leg. Drop
Ah! Ah! Ow! You got me in the face!
Mummy,
First battle to beat. Right, second battle. Take this one more seriously.
You're gonna so feel.
Ah!
Mummy, use your shield to protect yourself. And stab from underneath.
Ow!
Cut your leg off.
Okay, okay, Pat.
And then let's get fighting.
That's more like it.
Ow! Okay, one leg gone.
It's alright, I find a hop.
Because you cut off that leg.
Yeah, just stay in your spots like that. Mommy, it's good. So you just don't move around. Just stay in your
Okay.
spot where you are.
Watch out, Bee. Defend yourself.
See, use your shield. Hey, Biff,
Get that helmet.
put it in front, then stab. Come
Oh!
on, that one's winning. I'm not sure who's going.
Okay, third fight. Is it 1-1 or did you win that one?
I don't know. How do I stop it?
Press the big button.